Hiya, I'm pleased to be back here again with Justhands-on.tv and fortunate for me I get to share more of my designs where I've been busy at home creating all these, well, what I think are wonderful things. I hope you do too. These patterns have been out for a little while now, and lots of people ask me how did I actually achieve the little spikes on the hedgehog and the wreath and the trees and that. So today I want to share with you how I actually make these items. I've got a Christmas wreath and I've also got a little Christmas tree. The pattern is actually for a much larger Christmas tree, but again I've just scaled down this morning so that we've got enough space on the table. This is my dahlia cushion, and again this is my sunflower cushion. And now I lay my spikes onto my little hedgehog. There we go. It's really easy.